Dr. Huebner, I am here with Quinita. You may remember Quinita from our surgery day video, and I just wanted to sort of show her results now at 9 months, and she looks amazing. You can see from the before pictures, there's really a huge difference in terms of her appearance. She now has a darker hair color, which she wasn't doing before. So, Quinita, what do you think about your results so far at 9 months?
I love my results so far. If I didn't grow another strand of hair, I'd be perfectly fine.
Awesome.
I love it.
Has anybody said anything in terms of your family, friends, that they noticed?
They don't. A lot of people didn't know that I had something done, but the people that I've shown that I've had something done are like blown away. They couldn't believe it because I was hiding it for so long, and then to show what I've had done, they can't tell that anything was done. So yeah, they're pretty impressed.
Awesome, awesome. Any issues with the scar in the back? Does it limit you in any way in terms of how you style your hair? Okay. Awesome,
no, not
awesome.
at all. I don't even think about it, to be honest with you. If I feel around in there, I know where it is, but it doesn't change my hairstyling at all.
Okay, fantastic. Let's show off your hair for just a second. I'm going to have you put your chin down to the chest.
Okay.
If you would, just hold it there. Perfect. A couple more seconds. Look at the difference between the before and after. Let's have you do a side profile. So turn to one of the sides, either left or right, and just hold it there. Perfect. And then slowly bring it around to the other side. Yep. Amazing. Amazing. Keep going. Let's take out the other side and hold it there for a couple seconds. Look at that nice defined hairline. I mean, she's wearing her hair in a very cool way, but there is a huge difference. Look at that. Awesome. Quinita, I am so happy for you. I cannot wait to see your final result at the 1 year mark. Would you do it again? If you could do, go back in time, would you do it again?
Oh, absolutely. I wish this was something that every woman that was suffering with some type of hair loss could have done.
Right.
Yeah, it's absolutely worth every penny, every second, everything. It's worth it.
Awesome, awesome. Well, thank you again for sharing your story, and looking forward to seeing your final result. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.